state of Meghalaya has a very divergent uh, combination of districts. So now everybody, in my opinion, everybody is going to be rising and saying, bring the winter capital here, bring the spring capital there, bring the summer capital there, then it's all going to go wrong. Very fact that so many blocks have recently been installed and put in position. What is the idea behind the installation of all of these blocks? Basic idea is to bring administration closer to the public. It would be not correct to consider any kind of a capital anywhere else. We are in Shillong, it is the capital, and we hope that these demands should not be entertained. That is my personal view, because we will be in trouble if every district now starts saying, bring this to my district, bring that to my district. It will be difficult for us to administrate. Very fact that MLAs now are going all the way to, I mean, ministers are now going all the way to various parts of the district with that one intention. We can come to your district, review your matters, take care of matters, and be there to make sure that you do not feel left out in governance. But we can't have summer capital there, winter capital there, spring capital there, autumn capital here. It's not possible. I cannot speak beyond my access of knowledge. I am yet to familiarize myself with all of these demands which are linked to statehood, demands which are linked to any other matter, because I'm just looking at it practically. If you're going to have spring, autumn, winter, monsoon everywhere, sessions and capitals everywhere, then I think administration will miss the point. However, Honorable Chief Minister is himself going to be meeting with these people on the 24th when he visits Garwins. And I'm sure that some sense will prevail and some understanding will be there as a result. Because see, we are trying our best to take the blocks to the people. When you say a block office, that's when you know the presence of administration in that block. Otherwise, we're going to have a big problem. We will not be able to control these demands.